Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to see backup photos on Google Photos. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Google Photos on your mobile. Now as you can see, this app really doesn't tell you what specific photos are stored as backup on your Google Photos. Instead, it's only showing the photos in your gallery altogether. So to see or to view the photos that you have backed up in Google Photos, what you do is you simply open your browser and on the search bar type photos.google.com. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now tap on the three-barred icon and make sure that the account in which you've backed up your photos has been selected. So I'm going to be switching accounts to which my photos have been backed up. Now I can view all the images from my gallery that have been backed up to my Google Photos, and that's how you can view your backup photos in Google Photos as well. To view the photos that you've backed up across different accounts, you can simply tap on the three-barred icon again and then tap on the profile icon and then select the account in which you'd like to see the backed up photos, and that's how you can see backed up photos in Google Photos. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.